The Samsung Galaxy A06. So my brother got this phone yesterday and I want to unbox it for you guys and give you guys my opinion about the phone. In case if you guys are thinking about getting the same phone, here are some things that you should know. So let's unbox this. My brother's literally recording the video and it's a bit like, what are you doing to my phone? So basically, when you open the box, you're first greeted with the phone and it comes in this like packaging. So we have it in black here. This is a 64 gigabyte version, by the way. And then followed by, some like, quick guidebook, and the charger, of course, is USB-C to USB-C. So there's no adapter. The adapter is all separate with the. Now, this phone, believe it or not, is quite impressive for a phone that is very cheap. Honestly, I'm very impressed with what it's capable of doing. One thing I love about the phone is how lightweight it is. Like, it feels very light in my hands, as if I'm not holding anything. And the back is very, very smooth, though it's plastic, but it's very, very smooth. So the Samsung Galaxy A06 is great for anyone that's looking for a Samsung phone on a budget. And I've got another budget phone here, my mom's phone, and I'm going to do a little quick comparison between the two because they are both within the same price range. I'm going to do the camera test and also the speed test, and I'm going to tell you guys whichever one I think that you guys should get if you are thinking of getting a phone with this. So this is the Tecno Pop 10. So this is a Tecno Pop 10. It's charging at the moment. Both of these phones have 5,000 milliamp hours of battery. And let's do the speed test first. So let me unlock this. Alrighty, who? Let's do the speed test. For what app shall we go on first? Alright, so let's start with Snapchat. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, as you can see, there's W for the, oh, why is it taking so long? Let's try WhatsApp now. Snapchat, the Samsung is faster, obviously. Let's try this app, Zenda. Another win for the Samsung. Let's try TikTok. It takes a bit longer though. One is lit and the other one last application. Okay. Okay, what other apps do you guys have in common? Let's try Play Store. 3, 2, 1. Still Samsung for the W. Camera app. Maybe the Tecno this time around. One last app and then we call it a day. Do they have OPay here? I know. Let's do ChatGPT if they have ChatGPT. 3, 2, 1. And the Samsung is officially faster in my opinion. And I'm going to do a quick camera test between these two phones. You guys are going to see different footage. And to be fair, the design, I prefer the front camera on this one because there's not this teardrop notch, whereas the Samsung has that. But other than that, I like everything that the Samsung does rather than this. But I love the wallpaper on this as well, which you can easily get on this one. So, and also has tap to wake, tap to close, that sort of stuff. But this one only tap to wake alone. Quick video test. This is on the Tecno Pop 10 without any microphone and the front-facing camera. So this is a quality. Now let's try again on the Samsung Galaxy A06. This is the Samsung Galaxy A06 front-facing camera, no microphones, so the natural audio. So which one do you guys think has the better front-facing camera for video recording? This records at full HD, 60 frames per second. This is the highest resolution on this phone. And I believe this is 1080p 30 frames per second. This is the highest on this one. That wraps it up for you guys. It's my first tech review video, so therefore I don't really know much, but in my opinion, if you are looking for a budget phone, I think you should go with the Samsung Galaxy A06 rather than the Tecno Pop 10. And for so many reasons, this phone has actually the inbuilt features. You can use 2 different apps at the same time on this phone. Has so many other features. whereas this phone is incapable of doing some of these features. By the way, I am shooting with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, so the camera and everything is way better on this one. But if you're looking for a budget Samsung, don't hesitate to buy this because this is very, very good. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Masalama.